Now we arrived to the restaurant where we're gonna try traditional food. So good starting of the day. Wow. We just entered the restaurant. We just entered the restaurant and all the food already on the table. We're moving to here. Wow. Here are lots of food which I don't know. Lots of dishes which I see the first time in Indonesia.
Yeah?
But this I know, the sauce. All the others no. Never. What's the name of this food?
Papeda.
Papeda. And they will give us the rice or what? Or we just eat?
No. If you want to eat rice, they have. Dua ikan bakar.
What's that?
This is papeda.
Papeda is a staple food of the people in eastern Indonesia, namely part of Sulawesi, Moluccas Islands and Papua.
We eat with like chicken soup, but we use fish soup, like glue. It has no taste.
They just take the food, glue it together and eat.
Yeah.
Alright, now we have the fish.
Yeah.
Ooh, cool, looks tasty. Yeah, and for some excellence, they bring some rice. But rice it is not the main dish. And you mix together with the soup, right?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay.
Whoa. Papeda is sago porridge or congee. The main ingredient is sago starch. The starch is extracted from a Southeast Asian palm tree. Nice taste. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Something interesting. This without taste. But it's like sweet potatoes. I don't know if I do it right, but let's just mix that all and eat together. Like a porridge. Banana is good.
Banana with coconut. Or coconut.
I like it.
Yeah.
So this white thing we just use for putting the food together and eat. Yeah, the fish looks good and tastes really good. Yummy. So we already finished with the food. The best thing that is delicious. And we are so full. And what I like the most, I guess, is banana with the coconut because it's sweet and I love coconuts and bananas. I mix a little bit food with the rice, but we got a lot. That's more than enough. The conclusion of this lunch, it was really delicious. The main dish is this, I guess this is sweet potato, banana with the coconut like dessert, and also these vegetables and all the other vegetable plates. And there are some sauces. And also the main thing in this traditional food, it is papeda. Papeda like jelly. It doesn't have any like proper taste. So it was delicious. Thank you so much for treating. And see ya in the next place somewhere. But after this I wanna just sleep and rest. Thank you so much for wonderful lunch. So now we are going somewhere to the city, explore surroundings.